Hi guys, today I have some Rubik's Cubes. Just like in this video from last year, the video actually, it was titled, I Can Solve a Rubik's Cube Fast. And no, I was just basically doing something like this. I wasn't really solving it fast. I was just doing this until it got solved. I don't know if I did that side already. I'm scared that I'm not going to solve this. Okay, I think I'm going to solve it though because, yeah. Otherwise I just have to turn the side twice? I don't know. Okay, but there, see? Obviously, I was just twisting the same pieces. And that is not solving it fast. It's just knowing what you're doing or something like that. So I've got a 4x4, which we could like do something with. We're gonna see if that same pattern works on the 4x4. Like if I just do this, for how long would it take to get solved? I don't know, guys. But what should I even title this video? I think I'm just going to pick some titles and then I'll just spin a wheel and whatever wins, I'm just gonna title it that. I don't know. One of them could be, you know what we could title this video? We could title it, "What Can I Really Solve Rubik's Cubes Fast?" I mean, that did work on this one. That pattern worked. So I want to know, can I actually solve it fast if I just scramble this? I'm sure I can't. Okay, so if I have an idea here. Okay, so you saw that? I'll come back to that one. I have a 2x2, and you know what? On a 2x2, I can kind of do this. Okay, so I could prank someone with this. Like, it was this piece. So like, if I just twist it. And these pieces also come off. Like, they do. Good for you. Okay, so they're super hard to get back on now. Because you have to put them in the right spots. I got it. Oh my gosh, there's a table above my head. Okay. So, ooh, I kind of hit something. So let's go back to these. I just put this one over there. Okay. I don't know why it just flashed like that. I don't know. Did you guys see that? Yeah, it just flashed again. What was that? Why is it flashing? Okay, guys, you saw that, right? It's flashing on your end. Yeah, I think it just flashed again. That makes no sense whatsoever. Whatever. Okay, so here we go. Let's twist some Rubik's Cubes. You know what this is? This is a 4x4. What do we do with it? Well, I can use it as a 2x2. So look at this. I can use it as a 2x2. You know what I mean here? Like, what if I just keep doing this pattern? I'm sure this will work just like it does on the 2x2. Well, if this works on the 4x4, it's going to work on the 2x2. Because I'm using the 4x4 as a 2x2. Yeah, it's solved. And here's the 2x2, which I can, for some reason, turn a lot faster. Like, look at this. It's solved. Like, so basically, if you have it like this, I can just solve it really fast. Ooh. Hopefully I didn't mess that up. Because otherwise we could cheat, but I don't want to. Okay, so put these over here. Why is it flashing? And I feel like it just suffer, like, I said suffer instead of for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, for some reason it just, I don't know. Why, I don't know why it keeps flashing. Okay, guys, do you see this? Like, Like in 2022, like 123G 2022 would be like, how do I solve this? I have no idea. But it's really simple because it's just solved in 2 moves. And oh, this way. Okay. And look at this. Do you know what I just did here? Oh. Like, what did I just do there? Okay. Ooh, I don't even know what I just did. Okay, I think I did this. Yes, I did. Are you ready for this? Okay. So let me. Okay, so guys, that is insane. Like, do you know what I just did here? Okay. I don't know why I keep messing this up when I'm on camera. Okay, let's do this. Ooh, okay. There. You don't know what I just did there, did you? Okay, let's replay that in slow motion. Okay, guys. Okay, so let me solve this, which for some reason I can't do that part fast. I don't know why. I don't know. Okay, but what okay. So you see this? Okay. Okay, 2 by 2. Okay, this is a 3 by 3, not a 2 by 2. Can I use this as a 2 by 2? I'm not gonna try that. Okay, what if I just do this? I don't think that'll work. I'm just gonna keep doing this. Yeah, I don't think that's working because I would have, for sure I would have solved it by now. Like, yeah, that's not gonna work. So let's just solve this again. I don't know how many turns this will take, but I'm pretty sure I just did something like this. Okay, so, is it solved? It's solved. Like, I'm gonna turn it towards you guys. So, whoa, okay guys. Okay, so these Rubik's Cubes, I forgot what I was gonna title this already. It was like, can I really solve Rubik's Cubes fast? The answer to that question is no. Okay, but I thought I could solve it fast in that other video I showed at the beginning. I still don't know why it's flashing like that. Because it's like, I don't like it. Do you guys see this? I'm trying to, like, what the heck? You got 2 sides, so I'm going to show you even something even cooler after I solve this. I think I just got it. Let me figure out how to solve this. I just solved it. Okay. But look at this. Like, if I just kind of do this. Okay, guys. You see that? 4 sides are solved. How is that possible? 4 sides are solved? What? But 2 aren't. 4 sides are solved, but 2 aren't. So let's figure out, see if I actually remember how to solve this. I think it's just like this. It's definitely not. But I did create something cool. No, I think I know how to solve it. So let me just do this. Yes, I think I'm getting somewhere. Maybe. Possibly. Yes, oh. What happened to the orange side? I'll figure out how to solve this, guys. So, okay, so the 4 sides are solved. I just gotta work it out from there, I think. So, what did I turn? I turned either this one or this one. I don't remember which one. Okay, it might be this one. So, if I do that, I don't know what's gonna happen. So, if I do this, let's turn this one. No, that really didn't work. Guys, so I'll be back when I solve this. Okay, well, geez, it took a while. It took so long to solve it, but we did. Okay, and because it took so long, I think that's when we're ending the video. Okay, so we're ending the video right now. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, all that stuff, blah, blah, blah. And thank you for 100 subscribers, by the way. We surpassed 100 subscribers. Our next goal is, what is our next goal? Should we go for 150? Yeah, our next goal is 150. Guys, to 150 subscribers. Come on, guys, we can do it. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed. I think I said that already. Okay, so someone named, I don't know who this is. I don't remember what the name was, but they commented that they were 100th sub, my 100th sub. So I wonder who was my 101st. I don't know. Who was my first sub, actually? I don't know. Okay, 101 subscribers. Thank you, guys. And also this guy. Thank you so much to this guy. Right here that gave me just that much subscribers. Yeah. Okay. Okay, bye guys. So hopefully you enjoyed the. Oh my gosh, I just said that. Okay. Can you solve a Rubik's Cube as quick as I can? Well, probably, because I can't solve them fast. Okay. Oh, why they're falling? Why are they falling? Okay, bye guys.